All right. So,
All right, man.
shiny object opportunity awaits.
Yeah. The more I think about this, I just really think it's true because for me, shiny object syndrome pushes me forward or pulls me forward.
Sure.
And also allows me allows the belief system in my head to give up on things that may not be working. And that's equally as important.
Okay.
Right?
I see what you're
Because-
saying. If it's not capturing your attention, maybe
Yeah,
it's not
there's a
worth your
reason.
attention.
Correct.
Yeah.
If the energy
Yeah.
isn't there, it's like you start a business, you do good, it does whatever, and then the next thing is like, well, you either sell it or you run it forever. It's like, well, maybe, but if things change and it doesn't do what you wanted it to do in the beginning, if you're not getting that energy or that reward, maybe it's telling you that you should go on to the next thing or adapt that business to the next thing or start the next thing. Like for me, I have a big problem. I get bored.
Sure.
But I've come to realize that's a real indicator for me that after a while, and sometimes it's a couple years, sometimes it's 3-4 years, if I get bored, it's telling me a couple things that I'm not innovating enough. I'm doing the same thing over and over again. And if I'm bored, maybe everybody else is. And then the other thing it's telling me is it's time to replace myself so I could do something else. Right?
Sure. Yeah.
And I think that shiny object syndrome, it's kind of like the phone thing we were just talking or social. It can go bad where you never stick to anything. Right.
Right. Yes. Because a dagger is also a shiny object, right? And it has blades on both edges. It's sharp on both sides.
Yeah.
Exactly.
But if you didn't have the shiny object opportunity, maybe you wouldn't think of the next big thing.